Happy PCE Day. I'm Darren, and this is 3 things you need to know for Friday, April 26th. If you believe the numbers being dished out, the GDP has slowed to 1.6%. That's almost a full percent lower than expected. Fourth quarter 2023 was announced as 3.4%. Of course, business media is spinning it however they can to be a good thing, even with the admittal that inflation is rising. Ford lost $132,000 for each of the 10,000 EVs it sold. It's also sold 20% less than last year. Not a sound business plan. And don't forget that there is a Tesla-led price cut war that will make things worse. All of the CEOs are saying, hang in there, profits are in the future. After having disappointing results in their Q1 report, Southwest Airlines is grounding their operations in 4 airports. They also announced that they will cut 2,000 jobs this year. Wonder if the new way to handle flight delays and cancellations has added to this situation. Trade while you sleep across time zones with Arbitrage Trade Assist. Sign up today at arbitragetrade.com. Arbitrage Trade is your trusted source for business, finance, and tech info.
Tom has been a teacher for over 40 years. One day, I think one of the students had asked the question and he didn't remember the answer. And I also noticed that he was letting his class out earlier than they were supposed to let out. I was really starting to worry.
Levi and I talked about how it would change our lives, but he was there beside me.
When something feels different, it could be Alzheimer's. Now is the time to talk. Visit alz.org/ourstories to learn more. A message from the Alzheimer's Association and the Ad Council.
The dawn of 24-hour stock trading, a new frontier for investors. Daniel writes, the concept of a stock market that never sleeps, operating 24 hours a day, may soon transition from a speculative idea to reality. Recent movements by major financial players and entities signal a growing interest in this direction. Notably, Point72, the hedge fund headed by Steve Cohen, he has made a significant investment in 24 Exchange, a platform advocating for round-the-clock trading. S&P Global has taken an active step by polling customers about the potential shift. This blog post explores the ramifications of such a change and weighing its pros and cons for different market participants. So let's start with the possible benefits. One of the primary advantages of 24-hour stock trading is increased accessibility. Investors across different time zones would have the freedom to trade at hours convenient for them without being bound to the limitations of standard market hours. This could democratize trading, allowing for more global participation and potentially leading to a more active and liquid market. Markets can react in real time to news and events regardless of when they occur. This immediacy can be particularly advantageous during global crises or major geopolitical events, ensuring that pricing remains current and reflects the latest information available. So what are the drawbacks? Well, extended trading hours could lead to increased volatility. Thinner volumes during off-peak times might exaggerate price movements. This could make trading riskier, particularly for inexperienced investors. Financial institutions would need to adapt significantly, scaling their operations to handle a 24-hour trading cycle. This could mean higher operational costs, requiring more staff, enhanced technology, and robust risk management systems. For institutions like hedge funds and banks, 24-hour trading could offer strategic advantages. They could exploit arbitrage opportunities more effectively and manage risk in a timely manner by reacting swiftly to market changes. However, the cost of those adjustments might be substantial, potentially leading to a rethink of how these entities structure their operations and allocate their resources. Although the idea of trading any time might seem appealing, retail traders could find themselves at a disadvantage. The likelihood of trading against highly sophisticated institutional players during off-peak hours, when liquidity is lower, could increase. Retail investors might also face the challenge of managing their trades continuously, potentially leading to quicker burnout and increased exposure to losses. Point72's investment in 24 Exchange underscores the growing institutional interest in making the stock market a 24-hour arena. Such platforms aim to integrate different asset classes to facilitate seamless trading, potentially reshaping the landscape of financial markets. S&P Global's recent initiative to gauge customer interest in 24-hour trading through polls reflects a proactive approach in understanding market needs and concerns. The outcome of such polls could guide future decisions about market operations and regulatory considerations. So let's wrap this up. The shift towards a 24-hour stock market represents a significant evolution in trading, mirroring the always-on nature of today's global economy. While it offers numerous benefits like enhanced flexibility and real-time responsiveness, it also comes with challenges such as increased volatility and operational demands. Both institutional and retail participants would need to tread carefully, adapting to new risks and opportunities in this potential new era of stock trading. As we stand on the brink of this transformative change, The financial community must weigh these factors carefully, ensuring that the move towards a 24-hour trading environment benefits all participants without exacerbating existing disparities. Stop watching, start living using Pips, our AI bot. Go to arbitragetrade.com and check out Arbitrage Trade Assist.
Uh-oh, Brad's buzzed.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he's starting with the woots. And now a speech.
I just want to say that friendship is about heart and brain. Who's with me?
Good thing is, he knows when he's buzzed.
And my brain is saying, when it's time to go home, somebody call me a ride.
Love that guy.
Me too.
Know your buzzed warning signs? Call for a ride when it's time to go home. Buzz driving is drunk driving. A message from NHTSA and the Ad Council.
Pips, pick of the day, and it's Fall Down Friday. Arbitrage algorithms have detected a possible downtrend for Gartner Inc., that's IT, and it's headquartered in Connecticut. It's a research and advisory company which equips business leaders with insights, advice, and tools that help build organizations. Current price is right around $449, 52-week high of $486.54, and a 52-week low of $295.43. We are not financial advisors. We provide a service. Please do your own research. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is a privately held research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the contents of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to function as investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.